Hi, my fellow mathematician. Welcome to the study of complex months. In this question, you are going to show that sine x multiplied by hyperbolic sine y is everywhere harmonic. So we let this function to be u. Then we obtain partial derivative of u with respect to x. You differentiate sine of x, which will be cos of x multiplied by hyperbolic sine of y. Then we get the second derivative of function u with respect to x. When you differentiate cos of x, the result is negative as sine of x multiplied by this constant here when we are differentiating with respect to x. The next one, we obtain partial derivative of function u with respect to y. When you differentiate a parabolic sine of y with respect to y, it will give you a parabolic cos of y multiplied by this constant sine of x as indicated here. Then we take the second partial derivative of function u with respect to y. And when we do that, when we differentiate hyperbolic cos of y with respect to y, the result is hyperbolic sine of y multiplied by this constant here, which is sine of x. Then from there now, we make use of what is called Euler's this formula here. We make use of this formula here, the Laplace equation for 2D. So if a function satisfies Laplace equation, second derivative for function u with respect to x plus a second derivative of function u with respect to y, and the result is equal to 0, then it follows that that function is harmonic everywhere. So we substitute where you have this, the result will be minus sine of x multiplied by hyperbolic sine of y plus sine of x multiplied by hyperbolic sine of y. Now, negative and positive, when you want 1 plus positive 1, or when you have 1 minus 1, the result is 0. So since Laplace equation has been satisfied by our given function, then it follows that the given function is harmonic everywhere. So thanks so much for your interest to learn complex mathematics. For more such learning, kindly tune to my YouTube channel so that you do not miss a single video which I upload for you every day as we keep on learning this important field of mathematics. Remember also to like, share with other learners so that we may keep on learning together this important field of our study. Bye bye. See you in the next video as we keep on learning together.